Hello children, welcome to 9th Chemistry online classes. Chapter 3, Atoms and Molecules. In this chapter, in the last class, we studied a very important law, that is laws of chemical combination. First law is law of conservation of mass, and the second law is law of constant proportions. And we learned the 6 postulates of Dalton atomic theory. And today we are going to learn more about an atom. Atoms. We can call atoms as the building blocks of matter, just like bricks are the building blocks of a building. So just consider a building. A building is made up of many bricks. So consider one brick as an atom. Okay, so here also you can see one picture, one cube, and that cube is made up of many balls stacked together. So one ball you can consider as an atom. So matter is made up of many atoms or many blocks, and one block is called atom. So the correct definition for an atom we will study, or we will learn later, because we want to study more characteristics of an atom. So after that we will just assemble all the points and we will frame the definition for an atom. Okay, now you just understand atom as the building block of matter, or it is the simplest form of matter. Okay, atom is the simplest form of matter. Now you just see what is the size of an atom. What is the size of an atom? And we can't imagine the size of an atom. Atoms are extremely small. Extremely means very, very small. We can't imagine, we can't that much small. And their size is measured in nanometers. So that unit, because that is very small, so that size is measured in nanometers. And what is a nanometer? 1 nanometer, when you convert nanometer to meter, you will get like that. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by 10 power 9 meter, or 10 power minus 9 meter, or 1 by 1 billion. Okay, that is 1 billion. So that is the size. And we can compare the sizes of different things here, relative sizes. So first example, atom of hydrogen. So the atoms are a round shape, so circle. So we can take its radii, not diameter, its radii. So the radii, atomic radii in meter is given. Atom of hydrogen is 10 power minus 10. That is the length of atomic radii. Okay, not diameter, atomic radii. Then grain of sand, that is 10 power minus 4. And the size of an ant is 10 power minus 2. And size of watermelon is 10 power minus 1. And some more examples are given in your textbook. Just see it. And an image of the surface of a silicon atom, that is also given in your textbook. Just to see that one also. Okay, so that is about the size of an atom. So size is extremely small, and it is measured in nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by 10 power 9 meter. Okay children. Symbols of atoms of different elements. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements. So in your textbook, page number 33, you can see the symbols for some elements proposed by Dalton. So no need to by heart that one, just to see it. Okay. And another scientist, Berzelius, he suggested that the symbols of elements be made from 1 or 2 letters of the name of the element. So nowadays, the modern days, the symbols we are using the letters. Okay, so that is suggested by the scientist Bacillus. Now we just see the abbreviation used for lengthy names of elements are termed as their symbols. So what are symbols? The abbreviation means the short form used for lengthy names of elements are termed as their symbols. So the element's name is a lengthy one. So for easiness, we are using the short form that is called symbols. Next point is very important. IUPAC, its full form is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, approves names of elements. So in this modern days, these are UPAC, that organization approves names of elements. The symbol of an element is formed by writing only the first letter or first letter followed by the second or some other letter of English name or Latin name of the element. So the symbol of element, sometimes we are taking the first letter of that element or first letter and second letter, because some have same, example calcium and copper or carbon and copper. So both having start with C. So for that we are using some elements, we are using first letter, and some elements first letter and second letter, and some names are English name and some are Latin name. Example copper, Cu, not Co, Cu. Its symbol is Cu because its Latin name is cuprum. Okay, that is why it is symbol is Cu. And some names are taken from specific colors. For example, gold was taken from the English word meaning yellow. Okay, so the same way the elements were derived from the name of the place where they were found for the first time. For example, name of copper was taken from Cyprus, and Einsteinium, that is scientist name also there. Okay, so these are the some rules to make the symbols for atoms of different elements. And here symbols used for some common elements are given below, and element name and symbol. So this thing you have to by heart. Okay, aluminium, Al. So you just see it, A, capital A, and second letter L is the small letter Al. Argon, Ar, A capital, R small letter. Barium, Ba. Boron, B. Bromine, Br. Calcium, Ca. Carbon, C. Chlorine, Cl. Cobalt, Co. Copper, Cu. Fluorine, F. Gold, Au. Gold, aurum, that is its name, aurum. Hydrogen, H. Iodine, I. Iron, Fe, ferrum. Okay, Latin word. And lead, Pb, plumbum. Magnesium, Mg, neon, Ne. Nitrogen, N. Oxygen, O. Potassium, K. Kalium, that is its Latin name. Silicon, Si. And silver, Ag. Ag argentinum. Sodium, Na. Sulfur, S. Sodium, Na, that is natrium. Sulfur, S. Uranium, U. And zinc, Z. So these are some common elements. So this element name and its symbol you have to by heart it. So for that thing, today I am not taking more topic. So this element and symbol you have to by heart it in the next class. Okay children, so read your textbook also. Okay.